If you want to go ahead and then generate out creative ideas, then Kimi can be a help for it as well. Let's say, for example, you can say, give me an idea to make a course on editing a photo from black and white to color in Photoshop. So now this is what I have right here. And then what happens is that it'll simply go ahead and based on what you said, it helps you create the course, as you can see right here. So this can be for any idea, a movie idea and so forth. In my case, I'm creating a course right here, and you can see that based on what I said, it came up with the course title, the course overview, the course objectives, and then came up with the modules around over here as well. Like for colorization, it gave the introduction to colorizations, fundamental of color theory, essential Photoshop tool for colorization, and so forth right here, just like this. And that is how you can simply go ahead and brainstorm creative ideas inside of Kimi as needed. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.